Hi guys, welcome back to Storytime with KK. Today I will be reading Bear Snores On. Bear Snores On by Carmen Wilson. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold night, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. The mouse cries, "Who's there?" and the hare hops in. "Hoy, mouse," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scowls by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through a party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Ra-choo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls. Bear rolls and he Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumps. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had it all fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none." He whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Thank you for watching.